Hey guys, Kat here from Arbogast Truck Country with another awesome lifted truck to show you today. This is a 2020 Ford F-250 Lariat Blackwood lifted truck from SCA Performance. It's a 4x4 drive crew cab body style with an Oxford white exterior color. Comes equipped with a 6.7 liter Power Stroke V8 turbo diesel engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a 355 electronic locking rear axle ratio. So SCA has made this into a one-of-a-kind lifted truck with hyper attention to detail. We've opted for the front bumper upgrade with Rigid Industries LED light bar. Coming back here, you have the 6-inch FabTech engineered suspension lift system. Those are grounded with 20-inch Black Widow wheels, wrapped in 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 tires. And above that, you have the bolt-on style fender flares. Coming down the side, you'll see the premium quality badging and the power running boards that truly make this into a one-of-a-kind lifted beast. So some performance features from Ford Motor Company start at the rear here with the remote tailgate release, a tuck bed spray and bed liner, and pickup box tie-down hooks. So this comes equipped with Power Scope heated side mirrors. They're power folding and power extending. So with a simple press of a button, you can put them out and fold them in. So continuing to luxury in the cabin, you're going to have the black leather interior topped with custom stitched Black Widow headrests and a gauge cluster upgrade that also houses an 8-inch driver productivity screen. So in the center console here, you're going to notice that 8-inch Sync 3 touchscreen comes equipped with things like Sirius XM, navigation, Ford Pass Connect, and a rear view camera. A B&O premium 10-speaker sound system, integrated trailer brake controller, and heated and ventilated front seats add even more comfort and convenience options. So in the back seat here, you have charge-only connection ports, along with a 60/40 fold-up bench seat with under-seat hidden storage. And you have a full open-air effect with this panoramic sunroof. So safety starts with a blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert. You have the indicators on the mirrors, lane keeping system, reverse sensing system, and advanced security pack. And with the 5-year, 100,000-mile diesel engine warranty, you can drive with peace of mind knowing we got you covered. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you want more information on this truck, you can visit arbogastford.com, call 888-919-1635, or come see our friendly sales staff at Arbogast Ford, located off I-75, exit 69 in Troy, Ohio. Look for that giant American flag, and we'll see you soon.